This is how you can download your YouTube videos to your iPhone if you're a creator on YouTube. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've uploaded the video and published it. Actually, you don't even need to publish it, I don't think, but you need to upload it to your YouTube Studio. Then you can open YouTube Studio, and once it's open, you go to the Content tab right down here, and then you see your videos, tap on View All. Each video is going to have 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Tap on that. Now we have the option to play, share, edit, save to device, and delete. If I tap on Save to Device, my fat fingers didn't allow me to tap on the right one. Let's try that again. Tap on Save to Device. Here it says saving requires access to photos. In iOS settings, tap YouTube Studio under Allow YouTube Studio to access. So tap on Settings here, take us right to that spot. Under Photos, it says None right now. Let's allow full access to that, and then full access again. Now let's tap on the very top up here where it says YT Studio. My fat finger did it. All right. Go to the Content tab again. Go to View All again. Find any video you want with the 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots beside any one of these videos. Tap on Save to Device again. And then it'll be Saved to Device. To find it, we have to open the Files folder, or the Files app, I should say. Just start typing in the Spotlight search, or you can find it on your app list. There's Files right up there. And then inside of Files is going to be a Downloads folder. Just open that. You'll see your video file saved in this list in the Downloads folder. From there, you can move it to a different folder if you want. And then you have a backup of that video, or even all your videos if you download all of them from your YouTube channel. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to create a ringtone from any song. It's a super cool video. You're going to want to check that out, and I'll see you there.